Good morning, students. Previous class, we are gone through abrasive jet machining and working principle and working principle of abrasive jet machining and applications, advantages and disadvantages of abrasive jet machining. Now, today's class, water jet machining. Just introduction about water jet machining. Abrasive jet cutting is the extended version of water jet cutting in which the water jet contains abrasive particles such as silicon carbide or aluminum oxide in order to increase the metal removal rate above that water jet machining. Water jet machining, almost any type of material ranging from hard brittle material such as ceramics materials, gases to extremely soft materials such as rubbers can be cut by abrasive water jet cutting. The narrow cutting stream, the computer controlled movement, enables this process to produce the parts accurately and efficiently. This machining process is especially ideal for cutting the materials that cannot be cut by laser and thermal or metallic cut. Non-metallic and advanced composite materials of various thickness can be cut by this process. This process is particularly suitable for heat sensitive material that cannot be machined by the process. The process heat while machining. Okay, next. A symmetric of abrasive water jet cutting as shown in the figure, which is similar to water jet machining from some more features under the machine, namely abrasive and mixing tube. This process high velocity water exiting that creates a vacuum which sucks the abrasive from the abrasive line, which mixes with the water in mixing tube to form a high velocity beam of abrasive. See, abrasive jet machining. Applications of water jet cutting is highly used in aerospace, automobile and electronic industries. In aerospace industries, the parts such as bodies for military aircrafts, engine components, aluminum body parts, interior cabin parts are made using abrasive water jet machining. In automobile industries, parts like interior trim and fiberglass body components, bumpers and made by this process. Similarly, the electronic industries circuit boards capable of stripping are made by abrasive water jet machining. Yes, students, live example of water jet machining is service centers. That is four-wheeler and two-wheeler service centers. Daily life you can see the example, that is a water jet machining. It is a very noisy. Through the force of the water only, through the jets, 50% of the parts will be cleaned very neatly, and remaining thing it is cleaned by the some brushes. Okay, it is cleaned by the brushes. That is the water jet machining. Water jet machining yes, water jet machining using jets in jets of water is directed to a target in such a way that on striking of the surface and surface, a high velocity flow of virtually stopped, then the most of kinetic energy of water is converted into pressure energy. Note that point. Most of the kinetic energy of water is converted into pressure energy. In fact, in the first few milliseconds after the initial impact of the jet on the target, before the lateral flow of water is intended, I transmits the pressure as much as 3 times of the normal pressure may be generated occur. Local fluid pressure exceeded that strength of the bond will be strength of the bond will be bonded together a material making up the target. In other words, liquid jet cutting removes the metal criminally by using mechanical action of a high velocity of stripping. Okay, over the parts of 3, the potential are reducing the dust of associated hazards while cutting the coal or rock. A number of studies using liquid jets have been made on these materials. Okay, and the water and the polymer is mixed properly and sent to the intensifier. It will send to the intensifier, okay, of the intensifier, where the pressure is raised, and the hydraulic intensifier increases the intensity of the pressure of water and supplies to the hydraulic accumulator or receiver. After sending to the receiver, the energy is not required continuously. The energy is not required continuously. The energy is not required continuously. During the ideal period, energy is stored in the accumulator, given out during cutting process. The intensifier therefore need not supply the high amount of required energy required by the cutting process, which during doing maximum cutting. The high pressure of water coming from the accumulator controlled by the control panel from where it goes to the nozzle after passing through the stop and start valve. The jets of steam coming out from the nozzle cuts the workpiece and then collect from the drain. The figure shows the shows the water jet machining process. Okay, advantages of water jet machining. The advantages of water jet machining: water is cheap, non toxic, readily available. It can be easily disposed, and in most of the cases, no secondary finishing is required. Okay, water jet approaches the ideal single point cutting tool. Okay, any counter can be cut, any type of cutting process it can be cut. Further operation is possible in horizontal and vertical planes. The process gives a clean and sharp cut, and the process, unlike conventional machining methods, this method this method does not generate heat. It won't generate the heat. Best suited for explosive environments. Okay, and smaller size reduces the material wastage, no heat affected zone, and no cutter induced material contamination, eliminates the thermal destruction, no slack cutting zones. The precision multi-plane cutting controls shapes and it can be cut very easily. And limitations of abrasive water jet cutting: cannot drill flat bottom. Note that point. It cannot be it cannot be drilled flat bottom. Cannot cut materials that dissolve quickly with moisture. Surface finish. Higher cut speeds, which are frequently used for rough cutting. The major advantage water jet machining is high capital cost, high noise levels during the operation. It is very noisy operation. Okay, next, practical applications of water jet machining. Hydraulic mining of coal has been carried out in Russia, China, and other Canada, Germany, while experiments have been conducted in other countries, including Britain. The most of a mining application, the water pressures below 3.5 kilonewtons per centimeter square combined with larger diameter of nozzles have been used. Larger amount of water used to serve the carry the broken coal from the face. And current development of current development of the current development of combining the water jets is mechanical methods cutting the both coal and rocks. High pressure jets cut slots with weaken the material, making it easy task of relatively conventional cutters and break through the coal or rocks. For example, roller drilling bits jets are added to some of the oil well drilling tests and etc. Japanese railway engineers have tested drill incorporate 2 or 4 nozzles. Incorporated 2 4 nozzles of diameter 2.2 to 0.2 mm operating 40 kilonewton centimeter square to achieve the holes 35 to 215 mm in the diameter at the drilling speed between the 2 to 5 times the normal rates. Other area in which destructive power of water jets can be applied cleaning and the handheld operating pressures of 3 to 10 kilonewtons per centimeter were used in oil refines, chemical plants, power stations, steel works, dry docks. Such jets can be used in the water jet machining and water jet machining. This is the advantages applications of water jet machining. Here the important equipments in water jet machining: pump, pressurized liquid, tubings, fittings, valves, nozzles, nozzle with exit diameter, nozzle with exit diameter. Okay, now important questions on ultrasonic machining, abrasive jet machining and water jet machining. It is, and the question paper, one of the question paper is, it is attached. See here, the very important question repeatedly, which are the questions are available in the question paper. See here, it is important for your internals also. Ultrasonic machining equipment and mechanism of metal removal, and what are the parameters and characteristics of ultrasonic machining, applications of ultrasonic machining. Write and note abrasive jet machining. Okay, see, this is the abrasive jet machining. Important questions which are attached here in all the 3 minutes, all the 3 missions, and based on the according to VTU question papers, what are the questions, repeated questions which are available, and all the questions we are listed here. You should write down the as a assignment 1, selecting the 3 questions from each machine. Select 3 questions from ultrasonic machining, 3 questions from abrasive jet machining, 3 questions from water jet machining. Write down as a assignment. Hello students, remember the VTU, which is the important questions, it is listed here. Select 3 questions from ultrasonic machining, 3 questions from water jet machining, 3 questions from abrasive jet machining. Write as a assignment 1. Understood? Okay. Have a nice day. Read properly. Okay. Jet velocity. The kinetic energy of abrasive jet utilized to remove metal removal by erosion. Fine and has shown that erosion to occur, the jet must impinge on the work surface with a certain minimum velocity of erosion of glass by silicon carbide. The minimum jet velocity has been found to be around 150 meters per second. The jet velocity is a function of nozzle pressure, nozzle design, abrasive grain size, the minimum mean number of abrasive per unit volume of the carrier gas. It shows the as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure. Okay. Work material. Work material. Abrasive jet machining is recommended for processing of brittle materials such as glass, ceramics, etc. Though most of the ductile materials are particularly machinable by abrasive jet machining, the rate of metal removal found depends upon the hardness of the materials and to be machined. Sand off distance SOD. The SOD is very important in abrasive jet machining. Here, the standoff depends as distance between the face of the nozzle and the working surface of the work. SOD has been found to have considerable effect on the rate of metal removal as well as accuracy. A large SOD results the jet leads to poor accuracy. The jet removes the poor accuracy. Okay, the figure shows the relationship between the SOD and rate of metal removal. Small metal removal rate at a low SOD is due to reduction in nozzle pressure with decreasing distance, whereas drop in the metal removal rate at large SOD is due to the reduction in jet velocity with increasing the distance. Okay, next, nozzle as the withstands the erosive action of abrasive particles, hence must be made of material that can provide a high restrictions where common materials for the nozzle are used and tungsten carbide nozzle should be designed that the pressure loss due to bends, friction, etc. It has a little possible depends upon the requirements. The nozzles may be either of a circular or rectangular cross sections with the dimensions given in the table. Nozzle material is tungsten carbide serpent. The round nozzle diameter and rectangular nozzle diameter and depends upon the shape. And next, shape of cut. The accuracy of machining is also depend on the shape of the cut. It may be possible for machining components with a sharp corners because of cutting in the process. And today's class we have covered the abrasive jet machining, working principle of abrasive jet machining, variables of abrasive jet machining, applications of abrasive jet machining, advantages and disadvantages of the abrasive jet machining. Hope you have to understand, read thoroughly and you understand properly the concepts. Okay.